have my son Robert. Oh, his name Robert, but what is your YouTube channel?
My name is OG Mask.
OG Mask. So you'll find him on YouTube as OG Mask. We just waiting on him to post up some videos. Then, you know, hey, because he want to do pranks and stuff. Tell him what you want to do.
Please don't make an introduction for me. I know how to do this. Hey guys, welcome back.
You know what?
To Jawanna Baby's channel.
I'm going to slap this boy. That's why I didn't want, I debated on this. But anyway, we got to do us a thumbnail. We got Popeyes today, y'all. And I'm going to have him to try this 2-time, what is it? 2-time spicy sauce. See this? He don't like hot stuff, so come on. We're going to do the thumbnail. How you going to do this? Okay, that should be great. Hello. Now, you gonna try some? Do you got some honey?
hold on. Before we get into this,
not used to hot stuff.
Before we get into a little ASMR action for you guys.
We are not doing ASMR. We are doing mukbang. Yeah, this is what I go through behind the camera. Behind the scene. Why do you have on shades, OG man?
Because I want to.
Oh Lord, this one. Woo!
Anyways, a little hot sauce won't hurt.
What do you got your honey?
Nope.
Put it over there because I don't want to get on the pour it on it. Yeah. Don't let it get on my honey. Don't let it get on my table. Don't. Okay, you gotta sit up and eat that.
Y'all. Dang, they can't see it.
Yes, they can. If you bring this over.
Okay.
Look.
I'm up.
Yeah. Look at that. He got some on now. We're gonna see if he gonna handle it. You ain't even bring no water up in here.
Oh.
You okay? OG man? It's sweet though. It's good. It's just hot. Give her some water, please. I got my other daughter in the background. You will see her too one day. When she's ready.
Thank you. It
How
is
is
sweet,
it?
but it's not good.
It is good.
He
don't like hot stuff at all, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse him. Anything hot, he do not like it. It's good. Don't listen to him. It's good. I'm finna tear it up. Let me tear it up. Look at it. Y'all see all this?
I'm sorry.
You don't like hot stuff. Okay, hold up.
Put some honey on this. Cool down my mouth. This is too much.
See, you like sweet stuff. You eat honey.
I don't think they can see me.
Don't let it drip on the floor, Robert. Push it over. Woo! Push it over like this.
Oh.
You pushing over?
Yeah.
Now sit up and eat it. Woo! 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 It's so hot. Whew. Oh, thank you for the water. You know, I like cold water though. Yeah, bring my cold water in the refrigerator. Ooh.
Can I see my,
This is like honey on his chicken.
Can I see my full face?
Or
can I see half?
Let's see. I have my daughter to move the camera over some so y'all can see him some more. Hold up. It's hot, y'all. Thank you so much. Do me a favor. Push that camera over just a little bit. Over a little bit. Don't move that white part. Yeah, move it just a little bit. A little bit. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah. He wants to be in here. Good. Thank you. I got my daughter over there in production working for me. Thank you so much. Keep eye on that thing over there so it won't go out.
Already did.
Now, after I eat some of this, I'm gonna read some of the questions that I didn't read the other day. Ooh. It's hot, but it's good to me. It's just hot.
Can I get some of the hot sauce?
Yeah.
Let me try one more time.
Just sit up so it won't drip on the floor. We gotta sit up and eat it. Hold your head up. And do your napping. It's hot.
It's hot.
It burn your mouth too long. Let them see your eyes. So they can see how hot it is. You okay?
I can't talk right now.
I know you can't. It's so hot. It's hot, but y'all, it's good. You ordered on Amazon, it's very good.
Don't buy this. If y'all don't like hot stuff, don't even buy it.
I like hot stuff, so I'm gonna buy it. Matter of fact, this is my second batch. This is my first time putting it on YouTube, but I had brought some when I said I was gonna make a channel a while back. I couldn't even stop eating it. I was like, I'm supposed to do this on YouTube, but this is my second order.
Yeah, she on some other stuff.
I like hot stuff. He already know. I used to be married to a Nigerian, and he never ate the hot food. I had to cook Nigerian food and American food, cause he would not eat nothing hot. He tried the goozy soup and the fufu. He liked that when it's not that hot. So I have to make it, make some that's not real hot for him. But he do like that. Woo! My lip is burning. You have me some paper towel. Some more paper towel. So, woo. Let me see.
You pouring on your chicken.
Yep.
And you gonna tell her to give you paper towel?
Yeah, so cause when I eat spicy stuff, my nose start running. Oh. He got some. I needed some. He got some. He got that. He got the one from Popeyes. Thank you though. That's my daughter again behind the scenes, hooking us up. I love the crust.
Mm.
Like crust.
Yeah, I love the crust too. Like, don't y'all wish it came in a larger size?
Yeah, it was. You remember they used to be larger? Lately, since everybody been getting the Tuesday special, they been giving us little pieces of chicken. Before, well, they had a Tuesday special for a while. I think it's like $1.79 for 2 pieces of chicken. So I get all thighs because at first the legs were small. So now they're like they trying to trip with the thighs. Look at that. I don't know what's going on, Popeye. Cause the thighs were bigger than that. Look how big the thighs are. Look at that. Compared to what we used to, Popeye used to have them big. When I used to get the 2-piece special, them thighs used to be huge. Now they tripping.
Well, that's your phone.
That's my phone.
That's that money calling. Y'all know nothing about that. Some of y'all do, but
Yeah, I got my own business. But that's spam. That's telemarketer.
we love a good spam.
No, we don't. I code them. So when they call me, when it says spam, I already know who it is. Look at this. I should have got some honey too. Woo! My mouth's still burning. I ain't even got none on this piece.
Why don't you ask? Why don't you ask for honey?
Cause I was just thinking about eating that. That's it. You know that's got honey in it too. I heard. They make this. The reason why this stuff sweet, got like a sweet taste to it. They got honey in here. Let me see. I don't know if it says it on there. But I know a lot of times Chinese, because I know how to cook Chinese food too. And a lot of, shut up boy. And a lot of it be having that honey. They put honey in it. And it's sugar too. And they put sugar too. I don't care. I don't care for cooking with a lot of sugar in my food. I just
Comment down below if y'all like sugar. I know I do.
Yeah, he'll eat sugar for everything. Got to be sweet for him. He'll eat it for dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
You so right.
Sugar is not good for him. Then next thing you know,
if sugar was healthy, I promise you, I'll be the healthiest person on this planet.
Yeah, and he paid for it later. I always take it to the doctor because he talking about, oh, my chest hurt. Oh, my chest flare. I said, Because see, I don't buy sugar like that for him. Since he's working, he gets his own stuff, and it be sugar. Everything he gets is sugar. And that's sad. I don't know.
Hopefully, it didn't went out when we was talking about the sugar. But if y'all heard the volume go out.
Look, if the volume went out, we were just talking.
We were talking about the sugar.
And he's supposed to be doing production over there, watching that laptop.
Imagine
Lord have mercy.
seeing your son in the hospital every week.
After
you go to college,
that's not funny. You better start eating food and stop eating all the sweets. I have to make, when he eat, I have to make him eat. Woo, and that's sad.
I mean,
because I ain't gonna be around him all the time.
See, when you make your own money, it's a different vibe.
Honey, you ain't gonna worry me, honey. You ain't gonna worry me. Mm-mm-mm. Woo! This stuff ain't no joke, man. I brought the noodle. I supposed to be cooking that tomorrow.
I ain't eating it.
I might have him come on to eat it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you gotta eat the whole thing for the Jawanna babies.
Well, y'all. My OG mob. Y'all grown. Y'all not babies. So if y'all come to my channel, y'all gonna see some really funny content.
These like pranks and stuff. Oh, my daughter got some chopsticks. I'm gonna try to eat that with the noodles. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not good at eating with chopsticks. So that's gonna be a funny show for y'all. Cause y'all gonna be laughing at me. I'm learning. I think I'm a little better. But y'all gonna be laughing. I'm still trying to learn how to grip them things. I ain't getting no sides in there. I just want chicken.
See, I can't do that. I need strawberry milk,
See? Sweets.
cinnamon rolls, Hot Pockets.
Y'all hear that?
I'm kind of getting full, so I'm not going to say nothing.
I'm getting a little full too. I'm being honest. I'm getting a little full.
I'm getting full, y'all. Just to let y'all know. I finna drink some water.
I'm gonna get you to read them questions to me.
Yeah.
Not right now. My daughter trying to get me to eat food with chopsticks now. They're gonna be like, what in the world? What is? Are you interrupting?
See, look, I can't do this.
Let me get the questions out so you can ask me some questions.
Funny story about mom. She slipped one time when I was.
Wait a minute, where my questions at? Was it deleted? Oh my God. Y'all, I am so sorry. Did you delete any questions? Or did I delete it by mistake? Wow.
Trying to save up storage space. Hashtag relatable.
Are you serious?
Wow.
Well, I have to do that tomorrow then.
While we're all
because my daughter, my daughter, she had got a copy of it. So wait a minute. Let me see. Did she send it to my? Let me check something. Nope. Well, cut that everything off on my channel, honey. Copyright. No, that music don't belong to me. Robert, don't play. Don't mess up my channel now. People gonna see you get knocked out on camera. I'm dead serious. What in the world?
Fun fact. Fun fact, y'all. I was editing Mom's video.
No.
And look, this is not the same Jawanna mama y'all been looking at.
Yeah, that I don't know how that happened, but
that's how behind the scenes.
When we were trying to edit it showed we opened up the editor and I think we left the video and we stopped playing.
That was a mistake.
We left the video on my computer and just pause. And when we came back, it had me on camera with my eye. You see them with my white eyeballs. I'm like, what in the heck? That looked at
scary,
creepy,
horrific,
like a horror movie. I was like, what in the world? He's gonna take a picture of it and put it on his Snapchat.
I'm not gonna lie, she is a horror movie in real life.
I could be one. You know what? We forgot to say our grace.
Uh-oh. Forget that. We was hungry.
No. Don't play with me. Lord, forgive me, Lord. Forgive us for eating without saying our grace. Lord, bless this food. Even though we ate everything, bless it, Lord. Cleanse out every germ and bacteria that was in it. And remove it right now in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
I can't believe it.
Well, how does it taste now that it's all gone?
Shut up. But anyway, y'all, this was just a quick video. Did you want to tell the people anything else before we go so they can know more about what you're going to do on your channel?
My album is dropping in 6 months. It's called Don't Worry About It.
Stop lying. Tell the truth. He is so goofy.
But follow my YouTube channel. It's called... You can't look.
What you mean I can't look?
I bought this phone.
Don't lie. Don't front.
You know.
Making payments on the phone is not buying a phone. Well, I don't know what's up with these kids. He in 11th grade. He do work. He pays the monthly his monthly part of the bill, and he think that's buying a phone.
I don't know if y'all can see.
I don't think so. And that's an iPhone 11. He ain't buy no door phone.
I did.
Okay, you can front in front of YouTube. Yeah, he brought the phone. Yeah. Sorry about that. But anyway, tell them something else about your channel. This is an interview. What else?
Who bought your purse?
He brought me one purse.
I bought her Gucci.
Yeah, he brought me what is that, a Gucci? What kind of purse that was? That wasn't no Gucci purse. What kind of purse that was? I don't know, but he brought a purse. That's it. And he's supposed to have brought me another purse he ordered.
From Verizon Wireless.
Shut up. Anyway, he's supposed to have brought another purse for me, but somehow he got the money back. He realized he spent too much.
Yeah, it was a diamond cover. It was like a Swarovski crystal purse I bought him, and
then he got his money back. It didn't come to me. Guess you realized the price, And he like to spend money. He don't know how to budget. So he realized he was spending money on so much stuff. He like, oh shoot, I ain't gonna have no money. And then he went ahead and got his money back, a refund.
I guess I already knew how much it was. It's just it automatically came back to me. It's like magic.
Whatever. First of all, how you gonna tell your mom you gonna get her? You show her this nice looking purse. All of a sudden, it's gone. It didn't come. I'm sitting here waiting for the mail, and I happen to get a notification and stuff, because we got the same, I'm joint in his banking account. And I saw the refund. No, when you 16, he had to get a joint account, because that's what they told me. Trust me, I didn't want him on my account either, because he don't know how to manage money. So I have to keep up with that, because he even messed me up with the bank. And I be telling him, comment below if you got kids that don't know how to manage money. Comment below.
I was going to say this, but I don't know if you allow it.
Yeah, no. If it's something bad, yeah. Sorry about that, y'all. My camera went out.
So I was going to say this. I was going to say, she doesn't know how to.
Robert, stop being goofy.
That would be so mean.
And he's on Instagram as well. You can follow him at. Tell him about your page self. Tell him about your page.
if y'all don't know, there's this guy that always pops up on random famous people's Instagram pages, and his name is OG Mask. He pops up. I'm not a clout person though. Don't get me wrong, but I do, have a lot of, followers. I have like 1,075. It's not that, it might not be that much to some people, but it's a lot to me, my page is OG underscore. I'm sorry, y'all. This thing is a mess. I'm sorry.
I'm on camera.
But my Instagram is OG underscore MA mask. Let me start again, okay? OG underscore mask the official.
So you want to spell all that out?
Yeah. OG underscore MASK.
This one.
It's gonna be in the link down below in the description.
Oh, boy, get out of here! Let me pull up his page. This is sad.
Well, let me,
you could have pulled up your page.
Some photos I took.
Delete photos. Don't play with me. Let me see. Oh, my nose itch. What that mean when your nose itch? Oh, wait.
It means itch. Scratch it like.
Itch it. What the world?
I'm sorry, y'all.
Okay, it's OG underscore mask MASKTHEOFFICIAL. So it's OG underscore mask the official. That's his Instagram.
That took up 16 minutes.
Whatever. But anyway, you can follow him on there, being goofy. And then also,
you can follow my mom.
Y'all follow me on Jawanna's World. I'm on Instagram as well. Too bad we ain't got no questions, so
I can just make up random questions for you.
What?
So your first question is.
Don't be asking me no stupid questions now. I'm telling you. Don't play.
Are you hoping to collab with any huge artists? Like BDG?
I mean, probably, later on in the future. once my channel grow, you know, I'm just starting out, so yeah.
Are you comfortable with doing a smash or pass video?
And what is that?
When you say, "Oh, I would smash Didi," or
I'm not
smash,
doing that.
Smash.
That's
Trey
for y'all
Songz,
youngins. I'm
smash
not doing
Chris
that.
Brown.
No. I don't do. Oh, this is a mukbang channel. I'm not doing what. Who created that mess?
Shout out to my boy P Diddy.
What the world? First of all, look, I don't do smash. What is that? Smash and what?
Smash or pass.
I'm not into all that stuff. That's for y'all young people.
Would you smash or pass Chris Rock?
Would you want me to punch you in your head? Okay. Now, what other questions?
How old are you?
Oh,
You know that's a long one.
You don't have to answer that.
Shush.
I'm 40. I don't mind answering that.
Yeah, you gotta be self-confident in everything.
Okay, but anyway, anything else they need to know about you before we end this? Because
How are you? Have you learned anything by having kids? What's the life lesson you learned by having kids?
woo, wait until you're married to the right man. Females, wait until you're married by the right man that's gonna help you and be a good father to your kids. Because I'm telling you, being a single parent is not fun at all, because you have to do everything by yourself. When the baby daddies is doing what they want to do, running the streets, drinking, do whatever, you know, they enjoying their life while we stuck taking care of their responsibility and ours. So wait on the right one, please. I tell that to anybody. But other than that, you know, I enjoyed my kids. I did have fun. We did things or whatever, but it was kind of stressful because I'm the only one doing everything. And it's nothing like having children with someone that's going to help you. And, you know, having children and being with their father, or if you're not with their father, at least have a father that, you know, a baby dad that's gonna, you know, be a father to your kids. You know what I'm saying? So therefore, that man, you know, they can go with their daddy sometime and do things, or he can help with their school clothes and all that, you know. So it's a lot. So that's what I wish I could have you know, I wish I had a better dad for all my kids, all three of them. For real. And by him being the only boy, he needed a father figure in his life and didn't never have that. So, you know, that's we can just do so much. We can't teach him to be a man. You know,
I mean,
and it ain't enough. And I feel like it's not enough mentors out there, male mentors. You would think that you know, men's would get together and, you know, help, you know, a lot of these single moms with their sons. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like people should come up with a mentor, more mentor. We've been to one before. You know, when I was staying in McDonough, Georgia, there was one we had. But they need more of those, you know. That because these boys need to be, you know, mentored by men so they can know how to be good men. That's why you got a lot of these boys that's in gangs and, you know, committing all these crimes or whatever, because a lot of them don't have no kind of father figure in their life. And I feel like we need that. You know, we need more of that. You know, so I mean, I feel like men should get together and do that. What do you think?
Well, my intake on it is, I feel like everybody should be given free money. Their parents should give down like at least $500 per person Like each parent though, like the dad has to give 500, then the mom the next day gives 500.
For what?
It's like every month at least. Like that's the least you could do.
What you mean? Why I have to give for what?
Anyways.
Wait a minute.
Now
I'm confused. I'm confused. I am confused, honey. What is this? I have to give money and he has to give me. What I have to give money for? You taking care of? What is you talking about to you?
Mom.
Are you talking about giving money to you?
Let me speak.
Boy, get out of here.
Let me speak.
Huh. You better speak with some sense.
What?
I don't know what he thinking.
Look, now that we have taken out the trash, let's get the mukbang.
What taking out the trash got to do with this mukbang?
I'm talking about you.
I'm saying, what's your intake on this? The male mentor thing.
So I feel like
that's what we want to hear.
Every child have these morals. Get money, get chicks.
See, you know what? See, that's why he needs a male. He needed a male in his life, a male mentor, because of this. This is one of the examples of not having a father figure in your life. You feel me?
Well, I'm sorry, I can't relate to your problems, but
my problems, okay. Yeah. But anyway, don't worry. It's okay. You know, God was their father, so he was the one that helped me take care of them. Mm-hmm. And stuff. But physically, you know, you just want somebody to show him how to be a man for real. Mm-hmm. And act mature.
I mean, I feel like I'm the smartest person.
He always say that.
At this table. But
I don't think so. Huh. Don't let me go there.
I care about my mom, y'all. I was just joking about everything I just said. Well, most of the things. I care about my mom.
Are you gonna be serious?
I love her dearly.
Okay, what they got to do with a male mentor?
I buy her gifts every month.
What that got to do with a male mentor?
I mean, we off the topic now. I thought.
Then you grabbing on my shoulder like that, boy. Don't make this wig come off on camera. Don't play with me. I'll be glad. This boy, he got, hopefully 2 more years. Well, 1 more year in school for him to go to college. Hopefully.
I feel like I might stretch it out.
Don't play with me. You get out my house.
I'm gonna go back to school when I turn 21.
Now, see, he think when he get out of high school, he gonna get a break. He must gonna have him a good backup with a good job, honey. Cause it's time for me to relax. He the last child that's in school. The other one's in college, but he's the last one in high school. Once he finished, oh my God, I'm gonna be traveling and everything else. Oh, my other daughter looked at me crazy when I said that.
No, I'll be happy.
Oh, they be happy they don't traveling? Oh.
Honestly, if you travel.
When he go to college.
Oh, when he go to college.
And who is this?
Okay.
Who's all this talking?
I
know you ain't talking about me because
we on set. We don't want to get no too crunk. But anyway.
Love you.
They want a break from. He's the only boy, so you already know. They want a break from him too. They want her to go to college. How do you feel about your sisters wanting you out the house, going to college?
I want my other sister out of the house too.
Hold up. So what about you?
I want to leave as soon as possible, but it's gonna take.
She wants.
It's gonna take what?
She wants a guy to walk her world.
Yeah.
Some of these teachers.
What the? Okay.
So how's your day been so far?
See, when we talk about get him go out to college, look, he changed the subject quick.
I don't know these.
See, they say they want to leave the nest, but then when it's time to leave the nest, don't happen. But
I don't
anyway,
know about y'all, but I can't relate to none of this.
whatever. But anyway, I want this video. This video probably gonna be long. I don't know why I create long videos, but let me go ahead and go because I am full. I can't eat no more. It's one more piece of chicken left, but I can't eat it. I'm too full. Woo. But anyway, y'all have yourself a wonderful day and remember to stay positive. Keep yourself around positive energy. Don't be around negativity and don't be negative. I'm telling you. Be careful who you hang around, who you be around, because I'm telling you, it'll change your whole atmosphere.
Blueface, baby.
Okay, back to what I was saying. Other than that, we finna
gay.
go. See y'all. Bye.